Why is right to education important?
Every child in India, country, they need to know, that is their basic right. They need to know what is happening surrounding them, and to get awareness of their surrounding, they need to have their education. Education is the only platform which will provide awareness of their society.
As per my knowledge, the right to education is very important because without education we cannot understand what is happening around us, maybe in the governance level or in the society, to upgrade our knowledge in the society.
நிறைய விஷயம் இருக்குது அந்த விஷயத்தில். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு அதில் ஏதோ ஒரு டேப்லெட்டு மெடிக்கல் ஸ்டோரில் வாங்குறாங்க. அது எக்ஸ்பயர்டா நான் எக்ஸ்பயர்டா ஒன்றும் தெரியாது, அவங்க அன்எஜுகேட்டடு. அதை பார்த்து இது யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், இது யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்றது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்.
The right to education is more essential. The simple reason that education was denied for the commoners. So that's the reason why education has to be the right and not just a privilege or a charity.
ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗಿರೋ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಏಳ್ಗೆಗೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
படிப்பு நம்ம தேசத்துக்கும் நம்ம குடும்பத்துக்கும் நம்ம வாழ்க்கைக்கும் முக்கியமானது படிப்பு தான். படிப்பு இல்லைன்னா நாங்கள் எதுவும் செய்ய முடியாது. ஒரு ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு ஏதாவது வேலைக்குன்னு போகும்போது படிப்பு தான் கேட்குறாங்க. இப்போது ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் போகும்போது அவள் படிச்சிருந்தா தான் ஒரு ஃபார்ம் ஃபுல்லாக பண்ணனா அந்த ஃபார்ம் ஃபுல்லாக பண்ணுறதுக்கு படிச்சிருந்தா தான் எழுத முடியும். அது இல்லைனாக்கா நம்ம லைஃப்பில் எதுவுமே இல்லை. எல்லாம் நம்ம ஒரு வேலைன்னு தேடி போகும்போது படிப்பு எவ்வளோ படிச்சிருக்கன்னு தான் கேட்குறாங்க தவிர நீ എங்கே இருக்கிற என்ன இருக்குன்னு കേൾക്കാൻ മാട്ടാங்க. ஆனால் പഠിപ്പ്
വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് കൊടുക്കേണ്ട ഏറ്റവും വലിയ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു ഘടകമാണ്. ഇന്ത്യൻ പീനൽ കോഡിലും നമ്മുടെ വ്യവസ്ഥകളെക്കുറിച്ചും വിദ്യാഭ്യാസത്തിന്റെ സൗകര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചും ഒക്കെ തന്നെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. രണ്ടാമതായി നമ്മൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട മറ്റൊരു കാര്യം, രക്ഷിതാക്കൾ എപ്പോഴും കുട്ടികൾക്ക് അഭിരുചി അർഹിക്കുന്ന രീതിയിലുള്ള വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം കൊടുക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മൾ രക്ഷിതാക്കൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടത്.
Under this act, right to education, we can afford to get a child educated, and it empowers that there is no inequality and social strata being differentiated from the country, and the economic status.
Education which lead us to a positive direction to shape our future, and it also teaches the purpose of life.
We need education because we could make any decisions in life without any hesitation, and we can help others, and we can raise questions if we find something is not right around us.
Education is a tool which provides people with knowledge, skills, techniques and information that enables them to grow their rights towards their family, society and the nation. Okay, second question. Why do we need education in life?
As education is important in our life, which will get an independent freedom in the society, and it will help us in a both, that is financial way and in our lifestyle, which to lead our life in a better way, and it should be in a part of our life which will make us very proud in our society.
According to my knowledge, education is the only asset that no one can steal from us.
Education develops human personality, thoughts, dealing with others, and prepare people for life experience.
ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
On the subject of education, I can only say that I view it as the most important subject which we as people may be engaged at.
Having an education helps people to access all of their other human rights. Education improves an individual's chances in life and help them to tackle poverty.
These days, without education are considered to be low in the eyes of humans.
Because it is the brightness of our future. It gives the strength, it gives the ability to question each and everyone from our life.
Education helps us mold our thoughts, help us improve in the way we grow. It helps us module our way of working in order to get a proper success and growth in life, not only in financial way but also in personal way and also in an emotional way as well.
At the same time, in that belief, government established this act because they can reduce the poverty and social inequality, and they can empower women.
Why does parents insist us to get educated even though education is too costly for them to afford?
Education helps us to teach other morals, ethics and manners in a society, as it is the main factor behind successful people and the merit of development.
The parents think education is the authority to reach a good position in their career. By giving good education to their child, they strengthen the child's confidence level to face the world.
Education provides stability in life. It is something that no one can ever take away from us.
The reason behind is that they know that their child can survive in this competitive world without education. Is the key to change.
If we are not educated in the society will think us in a backward country.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವು ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಓದಕ್ಕಾಗ್ದನ್ನ ತನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಬೇಕು.
Parents still insist their kids to get good education because they don't want the kids to be dependent on others for their living.
Do parents insist us to get education as they have seen all their ups and downs without having education in their life, so they have faced many challenges in this current society, so they doesn't want it to be taken even for their next future generation.
Their dreams, their goals were left half in the way, and at least they want their kids to be educated, they want them to be successful and to achieve their goals and fulfill their dreams and wishes.
They only wishes to see that their children get good education and be in a very good post, and where the society respects them and also praise them.
This is because education is very important for us in order to have quality learning all through the life.
Bright future, a successful career, and standing on their own feet is what parents believe for their children.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉದ್ಯೋಗನೂ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆ.
Education brings us with innovativities and innovations and discoveries within us.
Parents are their first teacher and they have a key role in shaping up their character. Parents know that their education is very important in today's society because of getting work, respect and more things.
Parents have the mindset that education is the only thing that makes their child have a better life. So they insist on doing whatever it takes to have their child have a better education.
See, basically education is the biggest asset. Yeah, right? So nobody can grab that from you. So parents think education is most important for their kids because some parents are not educated, so they want their kids to be educated, more educated than them, be well settled, you have a guaranteed life, financially stable.
And let us all utilize this right given by our government to us, and let us not misuse this right.